Alright guys, what's up? I'm back again. Today I'm going to be working on the over fenders, trying to get them mocked up on with some Klinko clamps, if you guys know what those are. Klinko clamps or fasteners. Yeah, these things. So far today I've actually started on the over fenders. I'll show you guys right now what I've done. So I ended up sanding this part down on both the over fenders. It wasn't fitting right, so it just works better like that. Right now I'm gonna drill holes in there so I could mock it on and see how it looks. And then maybe tomorrow or in the next couple days, take the wheels off in the back so I can cut the old metal and weld it up so I could actually get this thing started with Bondo and shit. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to film me drilling holes. I'll try, and if I can, I will.
Finding the sense of flight, furthering a short stride. On my trip to the end.
So yeah, I'm just going around and making holes. I'm trying to make about 12 or 13 holes, and then I'm gonna mount it up on the car. So after I drill all the holes, I'm gonna line it up on the body and get it where I want, tape it up, and then start drilling holes on the car. I'll be able to get you guys video of that though. I'm just gonna use a tripod.
Lay down, let the feeling roam. Step out of your shoe, step in your new ones and be you. Look in the mirror, don't look in the past, don't be sad. The time's moving so fast, so fast. The sun is going down, ready for takeoff. A thousand rosy clouds, my mind can lay off, lay off. Sun is going down, ready for takeoff.
Alright guys, I'm just sanding it right here down because it overlaps and the door won't close. Sand a little bit.
Finding the sense of flight, we're doing a short stride. On my trip to the ends, words I hold on to my so tight. Don't look back, look forward. Don't be a wreck. Take it easy, not hard. Feel what I'm feeling, watch the bad vibes leaving. Lay down, let the feeling roam. Step out of your shoe, step in your new ones and be you. Look in the mirror, don't look in the past, don't be sad.
Alright guys, I didn't get to end the video last time because it got dark and I wasn't able to film anymore. The video would look like shit and I wanted to show you guys exactly what I did. And shout out to my brother and his friend for helping out. My brother ended up getting the rear bumper beam off. Yeah, that thing was nasty, and I got a new JDM one, so that'll be better. Danny just pulled up. Yeah, I also sanded down the over fender so it'll fit. Well, actually my brother's friend actually did that. He helped me out, cut it up so it would fit, and I put all these fasteners in. Damn, what do you think, bro?
The whip?
Yeah.
Bro, it looks super straight and clean.
It was dope, right?
I mean, for me, it's a little different. So I thought I would never be doing body work or like help with body work. Cause man,
This is fucking nasty straight
it's
out.
so clean, dude. Look at these lines. Like there's no divots. Or
Yeah, we sanded this down.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. So I'm just doing it because I didn't get to end the video when I was doing it, so I just wanted to show them what I did. It was nasty though. Alright guys, I just wanted to end the video here. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you next time.